Alright, so we're doing a summary of C1. So basically you got 1,000 by 1,000 board and you have these dominoes that like can't share edges with other dominoes. And the question is, what's the maximum number of dominoes that can be put on 1,000 by 1,000 board? Okay. So I guess quite obviously, we can tile the whole board like alternating dominoes, right? Yeah. And since there's like 1,000,000 cells and half of them will be used, you get 500,000 cells and therefore 250,000 dominoes, right? But the problem is, how do you know you can't have more than that, okay? And then Henry came up with a nice argument that said, well, if you divide it into 2 by 2 grids, right? If you had more than half of the cells occupied by dominoes, then in one of the 2 by 2 grids, you have more than half the cells occupied by dominoes. Yeah?
That's not possible.
Huh? And if that happens, you'll get something like this, but it can't happen because one of them will be neighboring another one, right? Okay. Yeah. So in any 2 by 2, you can have at most just one, right? But it's not just one domino, it's like at most 2 cells covered by dominoes. Alright. So actually you basically had like a similar idea, you just gotta phrase it.
Yeah.
Yeah? In a way that's sort of in a way that's tied up. Any questions?
What?
My original answer was correct.
You didn't prove it, man.
It's not about whether it's correct, it's about like it's not about whether the shot goes in, it's like how much chance it had of going in when you shot it. Because you can throw a shot and it goes in, but it's a bad shot, you understand? But for us, the chance should be basically certain as it leaves your hand.